Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove and uninstall a printer on your Windows 10 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the Start menu, and you want to type in Settings. Best result should come back with Settings. Go ahead and open that up. And now you want to select the Devices tile. And on the left side, select printers and scanners. And now direct your attention back over to the right panel here. Locate the printer you want to remove and then select the remove device option. It's going to ask you, sure you want to remove this device, select yes, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.